So let's start with the division. So division is very simple. See, what you do is you write 24a square b c cube upon divided by upon minus 6abc square. Now I'm going to show you a simple way of doing it, but that's a little bit longer. But after you understand the simpler way, you can do the difficult way. So 24 upon minus 6. Write the number first. Okay, number को पहले लिख लो. उसके बाद you write a square b. I'm sorry. You have a square b c cube. So write a times b times 3 times c multiplied with itself, c cube in the numerator. In the denominator you write a times b times c, right? अब सीधा कट करो इसको. 6 1s are 6 minus 4s are, right? A will get cut, B will get cut, and C, 2 C's will get cut. So what will I be getting now? Minus 4 A and C, minus 4 AC. Minus 4 AC. That's the answer. Is it easy or difficult?
Sir, it's easy.
Okay. So this is easy, okay? Now I'm going to show you the same technique but in a direct manner. Now we are not going to expand and then cut. We are going to do it directly. So please note this one also down. Minus 56 x y z cube divided by minus 6 x cube y 4 z. Okay, so minus minus sign gets cut. 2 3s are 2 28s are. Okay, now 3 and 28 cannot cut further. This x cuts with this x cube and it gives me x square in the denominator. This y gets cut with y4 and it gives me y cube. This z cuts this z cube in the numerator and gives me z square. Did you understand how did this happen? So the final answer, I will show you the expanded version also because I feel there is some doubt. So 28 z square upon 3x square y cube. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. But if you don't understand how did I cut, see, look at this. Minus 56 by minus 6. I told you to write the number separately. Then write x times y times z, z, z. And in the denominator you write x times x times x times y times y times y times y times z. Okay, now x gets cut with x, y gets cut with y, z gets cut with z. Okay, x y z तीनों को मैंने कट कर दिया. Now what will I be left with? Over here minus sign gets cut. Okay, 2 3s are 2 28s are. So what will I be left with? 28 in the numerator and z square, z into z, z square. In the denominator x square y cube. Oh, 3x square y cube, 3x square y cube. You are done. Same thing. Okay, so here whatever cutting I had done, I did it directly. Okay, so I'm going to show you again in the next question. I want you to note it down properly and then again I'm going to explain in the next question how we can do it directly. You have to get habituated to do it directly because we are moving towards a topic which is known as long division, and in long division you will have to carry out the division. You cannot do the division like in an expanded form, because there is already a huge division present. So you have to get into habit of doing direct divisions for monomials. Okay, next question. Now here there is a change. You have a multinomial and it is divided by a monomial. The technique will remain the same except a few steps in the beginning. So just see how do I do it. 4x raised to 5 minus 14x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square divided by 2x square. So this is the first step. Second step will be, I'm going to write it separately. Okay, I'll write it here. 4x raised to 5 upon 2x square minus 14x raised to 4 upon 2x square. What is happening? Array? Sorry, there is some technical issue. Okay, 14x raised to 4 upon 2x square plus 6x cube upon 2x square minus 2x square upon 2x square. Okay, so we have all these terms. Now you have to do the division which I showed you earlier for all these terms separately but directly, no shortcuts. I'm sorry, no long cuts, shortcuts we have to use. So 2 2s are, ठीक है, पहले 2 लिख दो. अच्छा, ऊपर देखो x raised to 5 है, we have got x raised to 5 in the numerator and in the denominator we have got x square. तो can I show you a simple way of doing this mentally? ऊपर तुम्हारे पास 5x है, x into x into x into x into x, और नीचे 2 है, तो नीचे के 2x ऊपर के 2x को कट कर देंगे. ऊपर ऑलरेडी 5x थे, उसमें से 2 चले गए, कितने बचेंगे? 3, राइट? So you will get directly, you will cut these and you will get x cube. So write 2x cube over here. Understood? This is how you do it directly. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 को कट करोगे, इधर आएगा 7, x square x4 को कट करेगा, इधर आएगा x square. So minus 7x square plus 2 will cut 6, 2 3s are 6, and ऊपर 3x है, नीचे 2x है. These will 2x's, x square will cut x cube and will get x over here. So 3x, यहाँ पे माइनस की साइन, 2 will cut 2 and x square will cut x square minus 1. This is your final answer. Simple. Note it down, please. next question. I think you should be able to try this one. We have got trinomial, okay, over here, and it will be divided by a monomial 5xy, just like the previous question. पहले पूरे तीनों टर्म के नीचे 5xy लिख दो डिनोमिनेटर में, और फिर इंडिविजुअल टर्म्स के नीचे 5xy लिख के बीच में जो साइन है एज इट इज़ रहेगी, एंड देन डू द डिविजन एंड गेट द आंसर. Send me the answer, send me the picture of the answer, so I will check it. Come on. Okay, so I got both your solutions and the answer is perfect. जो तुमने solve किया है that is perfect. Okay, so if you want to see my solution, I will solve it at 20 x cube y plus 10 xy square minus 15 x square y the whole upon 5xy. तो डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4x square plus 2y minus 3x directly, right? Okay. Now there is this new way of doing it. Do you see over here we have trinomial and here we have binomial. You cannot divide it like you used to do till now. You cannot do it till now. Okay, the method, you cannot follow the method which I just told you. So we have to now start with the long division. Okay, so what is long division? This is the first time you're learning long division, so pay attention because this is very new for you. So what you do is, first you make a box like this, just like how you do in the division. Your dividend you write inside this box, but in a certain way. Now see here, what is the highest degree? 6x square, then plus x, then minus 15. ठीक है, 6x square plus x minus 15. So what did I do? How did I change it? I wrote the first term with the highest degree 2, then degree 1, then degree 0, right? I wrote the dividend in such a way that the degree is in descending order. The same way I have to do with the divisor. So remember, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, divisor has to be written outside. 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Okay, so this is your beginning. First, what you do is you arrange your dividend in descending order of its degree. Same thing you do with the divisor. If it is already arranged, you don't do anything. Write the dividend inside the box, write the divisor outside the box. Just like how you are going to divide one number by another number. Okay, what next? Next is you select the first term of your dividend and the first term of your divisor. And here, the technique which I just taught you, that is division of monomials, will come to use. So what you do is you divide them separately. 6x square divided by 2x. Separate division. Okay, so this will become 3 and this will become x. So you get 3x. What did you do? You divided the first term of your divisor by the first term of your dividend, and the answer which you got, which is 3x, you should write it in the first term of your quotient. What is this? This is your quotient. You're familiar with these terms, right? Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay, so 3x will become the first term of your quotient. Okay, now what? Now the next step is multiply this first term of quotient with the first term of your divisor. So you will multiply 3x with 2x. Okay, So 3x multiplied by 2x. Who will tell me the answer? 3x multiplied by 2x.
Sir, 6x square.
Very good. 6x square. Write the product of the first term of the quotient and first term of your divisor below the first term of the dividend and draw a line like how I did. Put a minus sign over here, little far away. Okay. Then multiply the first term of your quotient with the second term, the next term of your divisor, that is minus 3. Can anyone tell me what is 3x times minus 3? 3x multiplied by minus 3. 3x multiplied by minus 3. Yes.
Sir, minus 9x.
Correct. Minus 9x, and that you have to write below the second term of your divisor. Below the second term of your divisor. Automatically, if you see, we are writing like terms under the like terms, like terms under the like terms. And now what you have to do, you have to do the subtraction, like you know how you do normal division. 11 ones are 11, 13 minus 11 is 2, and here this 2 will come down. You remember this method, right? How we divide. It's the same thing we are doing over here, but only thing is here we are dealing with algebraic expressions, so no problem. Okay, now we have to do the subtraction, and subtraction you are all aware about. You know how to do the subtraction. So what do we do in the subtraction? We change the sign. You remember that? Changing the sign process, because we are doing subtraction. What is the original sign of 6x square? Plus. The original sign of 6x square is plus. It will become minus. Write minus here in the bracket. The original sign of 9x is minus. It will become plus in the bracket. Now look at the sign which we have changed, which I have written with red ink in the bracket. So 6x square minus 6x square will be 0, and x plus 9x will be plus 10x. Okay? Minus 15 will come down. Okay, now the second step, the second phase of division continues. Now, can anyone tell me which is the first term of your dividend now in the second step? This is step 1. This is step 1. Okay, now we are in step 2. In step 2, which is the first term of your divisor? Dividend. Plus 10x. Right? Now you have to divide plus 10x by 2x. So I will write 10x over here, divide by 2x. Can anyone tell me the answer? 10x divided by 2x. Yes?
So 5.
Yes, xx will cut. 2 5s are 10. So answer is 5. So you will write plus 5 over here with its sign. Now what you do? You multiply this plus 5 with 2x and then with minus 3, 1 by 1. Okay, so 5 into 2x is plus 10x. I'm sorry, I should write with blue. Plus 10x. And 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. साइन चेंज करेंगे because of the subtraction. So 10x minus 10x will be 0, minus 15 plus 15 will be 0, and this will be your final remainder. The remainder comes out to be 0. अब देखो यहाँ भी 11 2s are 22, remainder 0. मतलब क्या है कि division is done. that is 132 divide by 11 is equal to 12. Quotient में जो भी value आती है, that is your answer. So you got the answer. So what is the answer? You should write it finally below the division. So therefore x plus 6x square minus 15 the whole divided by 2x minus 3 will give you 3x plus 5. That is your final answer. This is how you do division, and we have to master this technique, division. So don't take it lightly, because there are many small steps, signs, and if you forget or if you make mistake in any one of the step, then the whole thing is gone wrong. Please note it down. Okay, similar question. This is also long division. Okay, so I'm going to take help from each one of you. First I'll start with Kea, then in the next question I'll go to Anushri. Now you have to help me for each and every step. Okay, let's see if you can do it or not. Okay, so what do we have here? We have our dividend is x raised to 5 plus 11x minus 12. See, I'm just going to write it a little in a little different way. So just see this. This is necessary, okay, because you guys are new with this method. I don't want you to get confused in any way. So x raised to 5, do you see any term with power 4 or power 3 or power 2? No. Degree 4, degree 2, degree 3? No, it's not there. So what you will write is x raised to 5 plus 0 x raised to 4 plus 0 x raised to 3 plus 0 x raised to 2. Okay, this way you will never make mistake. Plus 11x, because we have a term with power 1, minus 12. Okay, so this is my dividend. Now if you notice here, Kea, I have 0x raised to 4, 0x cube, 0x square. Okay, they are all zeros. They all mean that there is nothing, it's just 0. So there is no term over there. So don't get confused that why it's 0. Actually, just to make it more symmetrical, I have written it like this, so that it is easier for you to solve. You will see how it is easier. Okay, in the divisor side, I have x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay, let's begin. Now, what is the first step, Kea? Kea, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your cam is frozen. Anyways, tell me.
Okay. We'll take the first term of the dividend,
Which is?
which is x square.
No, dividend is here.
Sorry, divisor.
Okay. Actually, we'll take the
And-
first term of dividend and divide it by the first term of the divisor. Right?
Yes.
So what we'll do, we'll take the first term of the dividend and divide it by the first term of the divisor. Can you tell me the answer, Kea?
Sir, it's.
Yes.
So we have to divide it.
Yeah, of course we have to divide. Yeah.
So will the answer come in a fraction?
No, it is, see, there are 2 x's in the denominator and there are 5 in the numerator. 2 of them will cut and the remaining will be 3 x's, x cube.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you write this x cube here in the quotient, the first term of the quotient. Okay, what is the next step now? Tell me. Oops.
So we'll multiply
We'll multiply what with
Hello.
what? We'll multiply what with what?
So we'll multiply mine. So we'll multiply
Just a
x
moment.
square.
Just, yeah, tell me.
So
What will
we'll multiply x square and x cube.
Okay, so say like this. Okay, I always say like this. We multiply x cube with first x square, then 2x, and then with 3.
Okay.
You understand? We
Yes.
multiply x cube with all the three terms, and then we write the product over here, and over here. Wherever it is suitable under the like terms, but below the dividend. Okay? Chalo, tell me now. What will
So
be the
x.
answer and where will you write it?
Okay. So under x5 we'll write x.
X cube into x square. Tell me how much do you get?
X5.
Very good. You will write it under x raised to 5 because they are both like terms. Okay. X cube into 2x. How much you will get?
Minus 2x x4.
Very good. Minus 2x raised to 4. I am sure Anushri you are understanding this. Please, please note it down with us. Note it down, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and
Plus 3x cube.
very good, plus 3x cube. Okay, so I will draw a line over here. I will write minus sign over here. Now, Kaya, tell me what is the original sign of x raised to 5?
So minus.
No, its original sign
Okay,
is
original.
plus.
Original is plus.
So it will become minus. What is the original sign of 2x raised to 4?
So it will be plus.
No, it is minus. See the sign in front of it.
Okay, you are asking the original.
Yeah, original sign. Original sign is minus, it will become plus. And original sign is plus, so it will become minus. Correct? Now you have to subtract. X raised to 5 minus x raised to 5 will be how much?
So 0.
Yeah, so
Sorry,
they will
1.
cut. No, it's 0. You are right. They will cut. They are both like terms. If you subtract them, their coefficients is also 1, so they will get cut. So we have 0x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 4. What will be the answer? 0x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 4
2x4
plus 2x raised to 4. Okay. 0x cube minus 3x cube.
So plus 3x cube.
Minus 3x cube. 0 minus anything will be in negative only. Okay. Then this 0x square will come down, plus 0x square. Also this plus 11x will come down, and this minus 12 will come down. Right? Cool. Tell me, Kia, next step, fast, come on. Yes, Kia. Can you hear
Hello?
me? Yeah. Yes, Kia.
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Hello?
I think you have some network issue. Just a moment. Yes, Kia. Tell me the next step.
So we'll convert the symbol.
Sorry?
So we'll convert the answer which we got. We'll convert its terms like plus into minus.
No. We are in the second stage. You remember what we did in the second stage? See, I'll tell you. This is the first term of the second stage of the dividend, and this is the first term of the divisor. Divide them separately. So what you will get, 2x raised to 4 divided by x square. This x square and x4 will cut, you will get x square. So 2x square will be the answer, plus 2x square. 2x square into x square is plus 2x raised to 4. Then you will multiply 2x square with minus 2x, plus 2x multiplied by minus 2x. Don't make mistake in sign, okay? Plus 2x multiplied by minus 2x will be minus 4x cube. Then you will multiply plus 2x square with minus 3, sorry, plus 3, it will be plus 6x square. Okay, so this will become minus sign, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. Now you subtract. So plus 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 will cut, minus 3x cube plus 4x cube will become plus x cube. Then 0x square minus 6x square will be minus 6x square, plus 11x will come down, and minus 12 will come down. Now you will divide. This is the third stage. See, this was the first stage, second stage, third stage. In the third stage, you will have, again you will have the first term of your dividend. You will divide it by the first term of your divisor, which is x square. Come on, Kea, take it further now. Yes.
So
X plus x cube divided by
Plus
x
x.
square is plus x. Plus x. What?
Plus x.
Yes. What should we do with plus x now? What should we do with plus x? Multiply plus x with all the three terms of the divisor.
Yes, sir.
Tell me fast. X into x square.
X cube.
Plus x cube.
Plus x cube.
Plus x into minus 2x.
Sorry?
Plus x times minus 2x. Kea, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Your voice is breaking.
Is it breaking for you, Anushri?
No, sir.
Kea, you have some internet trouble from your end.
Yes, sir.
Plus x into minus 2x will be minus 2. Minus 2x square. Yes. And plus x into plus 3x. Plus 3 is plus 3x. Okay. Then there is a line. Then you put minus sign and change the sign of all the terms. So this will be plus and this will be minus. So x cube minus x cube cuts, minus 6x square plus 2x square will be minus 4x square, and plus 11x minus 3x will be plus 8x, and minus 12 comes down. Tell me, what is the last step now? We are at the last step. Come on. Final step. Come on. Kea.
So, yeah. So 3 multiplied by all the 3 terms.
No. We are in the fourth step, and again we'll follow the same methodology. What we'll do is we'll take the first term of our dividend and divide it by the first term of the divisor. So minus 4x square will be divided by x square. Can you tell me? I'm in the lecture. What you're doing here? I'm in the lecture. Tell me, minus 4x square divided by x square.
So
It is minus
Minus
4.
2.
Minus 4. X square gets cut. Minus 4 remains. Minus 4. So minus 4 you write over here. Minus 4 into x square will be minus 4x square. Minus 4 times minus 2x will be minus 8x. Now sorry, plus 8x, because minus minus plus, and minus 4 times plus 3 is minus 12, and then you draw a line, and then you write minus sign, and then change all the original signs. Plus, minus, plus. Okay, minus 4x square plus 4x square will get cut, plus 8x minus 8x will get cut, minus 12 plus 12 will get cut, and the remainder comes out to be 0. This is the remainder, and this is your quotient, which is the answer. There was a lot of struggle, Kea, from your side. So this is where you need a lot of practice, because there are so many steps that you might get confused. There are more, but just note it down first, then I will discuss next one with Anushri fast. Come on. Okay, Anushri, are you ready? Now, let's not do this one. This is a little bit tricky one. Let's. Okay, there are no other questions left. Okay, let me do this one with you, because this is okay. This is still doable. Okay, it looks very huge, big, but it is not. X raised to 5, this is our dividend. X raised to 5 plus 3x raised to 4 minus 5x cube plus 14x square plus 36x minus 13. Okay, now this is divided by x square plus 4x minus 2. Tell me, Anushri, first step.
Yes, sir. First we'll divide x square. X square by x5.
फर्स्ट विल डिवाइड x रेज टू 5 बाय x स्क्वायर. हमेशा बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है, छोटे को बड़े से नहीं. डिवाइजर को सॉरी डिविडेंड को डिवाइजर से डिवाइड करना है. सो x रेज टू 5 डिवाइडेड बाय x स्क्वायर. ओरली आंसर बताओ, ओरली. वेरी गुड, x क्यूब. अब क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप? कम ऑन. Very good. Tell me the answer fast.
Into 3x4.
Wait. First we'll multiply x cube with x square. Write the answer over here. Then x cube with 4x. Write the answer over here. X cube with 2. Write the answer over here. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. So the first answer is x5.
Okay.
x5 then 4x4.
Okay. Plus 4x raised to 4.
Then minus 2x raised 2x.
Minus 2x cube. Okay, I'll make a line over here, put a minus sign. What is the next step? Can you tell me?
Next we have to add.
We have to change the signs. What is the original sign of x raised to 5?
A minus.
No, original sign.
Okay, original sign is plus.
So what we will make it into?
Minus.
Okay, over here.
Plus.
Yeah, so what will make it into?
Minus.
And over here.
Plus.
Correct. Now you don't have to see any other sign, just see the signs in the brackets which we have written below. X raised to 5 minus x raised to 5.
Sir, 0.
Yes, so it will get cut. 3x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 4
1.
minus x raised to 4. Yeah, minus 1x raised to 4 or minus x raised to 4. Okay, minus 5x cube plus 2x cube. Very carefully. Minus 5x cube plus 2x cube.
Sir, 3.
Plus or minus?
Minus.
3x cube. Okay, now 14x square will come down. Just okay, there is a plus sign. Plus 14x square. Don't bring down anything else. Just this much. Now tell me what is the next step. This was the first stage. We have reached the second stage. Tell me what is the next step.
Sir, now we'll divide by 4x.
We will divide what by what?
4x divided by minus x.
Minus x raised to 4 divided by x square. Minus x raised to 4 divided by x square. Tell me, what is the answer? Minus x square. Very good. This minus x square will go in the divisor, in the quotient. Okay. Now tell me the next step. Come on.
So here we'll divide minus x square into minus x square into x square.
Yeah, that is how much?
X4
Minus x raised to 4. Minus x square into plus x square is minus x raised to 4. Then
minus 4 cube
minus x square into plus 4x is how much?
minus 4 cube.
4x cube. Minus 4x cube. Yeah. Then
Plus 2x cube.
2x square plus 2x square. Minus x square into minus 2 is plus 2x square. Okay, there is a line, then minus sign. Then what will do?
We'll change the sign.
Okay, this will become,
Plus.
this will become,
Plus.
and this will become.
Minus.
Tell me now. Solution. Minus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4.
0.
Minus 3x cube plus 4x cube.
So 1.
Plus x cube plus 1x cube or x cube. Don't forget the variable. Okay, plus x cube plus 14x square minus 2x square.
Okay.
So-
Plus 12x square.
Very good. Now take this down, plus 36x, and take this down, minus 13. Now tell me the next step fast.
Now we'll divide plus 4x.
No, plus x cube by x square. We always divide the first term of the divisor, dividend by the first term of the divisor. Okay, divide them. Come on, orally divide them. Plus x cube divided by plus x square is how much?
So x
Plus x.
plus x.
Okay, plus x will come in the quotient. Now plus x will be multiplied with all these three terms of the divisor. Multiply and tell me the answer fast.
Plus x cube,
Plus x cube,
plus x cube, then plus
4x square,
square, then minus 2x.
minus sign, minus, minus, plus. X cube minus x cube will cut. Plus 12x square minus 4x square will be 8x square plus 8x square. Plus 36x plus 2x will be plus 38x, and this minus 13 will come down. Tell me, what is the next step? Come on.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. What am I showing? Yeah.
So now again we'll divide x cube.
No. No. We'll divide the first. We are in the. This was the third stage. We are in the fourth stage. We'll take the first term of your dividend in the fourth stage and divide by the first term of the divisor. Plus 8x square divided by x square. Tell me the answer orally.
Plus 8x square.
Divided by x square.
Sir, 8.
Plus 8. Plus 8 into x square is plus 8x square. Plus 8 into plus 4x is plus 32x. Plus 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. We'll put a line over here. Minus sign. I'm sorry. Minus sign. Due to this minus sign, all the signs will change. This will become minus. This will become minus. This will become plus. Tell me, come on. Subtract.
So the first one 0. 0 then plus 6x.
Plus.
6x.
Very good.
Then plus 3.
Very good. Now can the division go ahead?
No, sir.
No, you know why? Because here the degree of the remainder or the next term, next stage of the dividend, and the degree of the first term of your divisor, they are different. The degree of the divisor becomes greater than the degree of the remainder. Stop it. You cannot go ahead. So you have got your answer. This is the remainder and this is the quotient. That's what you had to find, quotient and remainder. Quotient is 6x plus 3, sorry, x cube plus minus x square plus x plus 8, and remainder is 6x plus 3. This is how you solve it. So I think a lot of hard work is required from both of you for division, especially for long division, because simple divisions are okay. I didn't do one question deliberately, but the long division will take a toll.
Sir, I had a question in last, sir.
Yeah, sure. Tell me.
So why did we bring down the last two terms together? Plus 36x and minus
No need.
13?
No, actually there is no need. If you just bring 36x, that also is fine. There is no reason for that.
Okay.
So you can bring one by one term each, no problem. Any other doubt in this whole process? Okay, I'm stopping the recording and giving the homework for tomorrow.